We're solving this compound inequality, and you notice we have the absolute value of 4k plus 1 is greater than 27. And since we have a 1, we have to eliminate that 1 by subtracting 1. So we have 1 minus 1, which is 0. We have greater than 26, and we want the absolute value of 4k on the left side. You notice that we have greater than, so it will be an or compound inequality. So therefore we have 4k is greater than 26, or 4k is less than 26, negative 26. So we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 4. And you notice that we have k is greater than, and this comes out to be 6.5 or 6.5. This will, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we have k is less than negative 6.5. Also, the left, we have 4 divided by 4, that we're left with k. So we have k is greater than 6.5. So 6.5 is around right here, and it's open circle. So what numbers are greater than 6.5? Well, those are the numbers to the right. And here we have k is less than 6.5. So we go to negative 6.5, which is right here, open circle. And we're looking at the numbers that are to the left. If we were to do an interval, it would be from negative infinity to negative 6.5 union 6.5 to infinity.